Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to learn how to make a mixed vegetable juice without adding a single drop of water. So we can use the vegetables, whatever available in our home. That may be a tomato, carrot, beetroot, cucumber, or hash gourd. So let's go how to the, do that one. We will learn the procedure here. Let's go. So here ingredients used are bottle gourd, carrot, beetroot, tomato, cucumber, ashgard, lemon, ginger, and honey. So, so before going to the how to make prepare this juice, so we'll see the benefits of the vegetable juice. So this by drinking every day, you will improve your heart health. It helps in the removing the toxin from the body and lower the risk of the chronic disease like thyroid, BP, and diabetics. So improve metabolic rate, and it improves the brain functions, boost immunity system, and also keeps our body hydrated. So these are the main some of the benefits of drinking every day this mixed vegetable juice. This juice can be also can be you can call it as this the toxin removal juice from our body. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll cut all the vegetables and keep it in the bowls separately. And you add the vegetable which has the more water content first. So what we added first is ashgard. Now we are adding cucumber, and also we'll add maybe tomato, or maybe we can add so bottle gourd. So it's not rules like that you can add this vegetable or that vegetable first. The first it's better to add which are the vegetables has more water content. So now here we are adding the tomato. Next we'll take some amount of beetroot that also will add into the mixer jar. And it's not necessary to you do this in the juicer itself. Those who has a juicer like vegetable juicer and fruit juicer, they can use this. And otherwise you can use the normal the whatever you have mixer grinder to do this vegetable juice. And we added even carrot as well. So now what we'll do is we are adding some the ginger some amount and some curry leaves. So these are as you aware that curry leaves and gingers are more beneficial for our health. So now this we added all the juice ingredients like vegetables here. And what we'll do, we will grind this and in the mixer grinder make it as a paste. And here one important point is that we have not added a single drop of water. This juice is without water. So and you make it and drink, you will come to know what is the difference between the juice which you are making with water and without water. And this is very healthy juice which we made here. So now what we'll do is here we will filter this. For filter this juice, we will use here the cotton cloth. We are not using any sieve, and here the cotton cloth. So why we are using cotton cloth is it's what will happen is very we can filter very efficiently, and the juice which is coming from here is very fine juice we can drink. This the juice now you can squeeze and remove the juice from the paste which you made. So drinking this juice every day morning is very health beneficial, and you try and drink every day, and you will come to know, and you will feel very energetic and very relaxed when you eat this. Okay, now what we are doing here is we are squeezing and removing the most of the juices, the whatever there in the paste. So now we removed the juice from the paste, and now I am pouring this into the glass. So here what you can do is you can add the lemon, maybe half lemon for the 2 to 250 ml of juice. And also you can add the honey for 1 or 2 spoons. And those who are suffering from maybe like diabetes, and be cautious here and add maybe a half spoon, or maybe you can avoid, or you can add The those who don't have any like diabetic, and you can add two spoons honey as well. No issue in that. Okay. So after adding the honey, the stir well, and also add the lemon. And if you have the lemon squeezer, use it. And if you don't have, use your hands are good for everything. And squeeze here. Here I'm using the half lemon. You can you are choose how much you can add. You can add maybe one lemon, or maybe you can add few drops. It's up to you. And but you can add the lemon. Have the ready juice, and we can taste it. Yeah, this is nice. And yeah, this is we can take as a breakfast for our daily breakfast. The people who are suffering with the diabetic, they can, instead of fruit juice, they can take this vegetable juice, and this is very helpful um, for our health. So here, make sure that we have not added any water. You should not add water. And instead of making separate juice like ash card and carrot juice, beetroot juice, that also we can do, but that will reduce our burden if you mix and do the juice like this. So hope that this will be very helpful. And I'm sure that you are going and making this video this after watching this video, you go and make the your vegetable juice and taste it. So thank you for watching this, and please do like this video and share to your friends, families, and subscribe my channel. So press the bell icon below here. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. See you in next video. Thank you.